Hello, in today's video we'll be absolutely learning the assault rifle. So, the assault rifle can come in two different ways. First, you need to learn two things actually, my bad. So first is when to aim down sight and when to hip fire. So I say hip fire here, hip fire there, aim down sight here, and far and far. Because it's better to not aim down sight in this close of a range. And plus, if you have like I don't know 80 of this, and you're aiming down sight in this close of a range, then you cooked. Yeah, I think I should try playing like this, to be honest. Kinda looks cool. Nah, I don't know. Maybe it's better with 108. But yeah, that's number one. And first, you need to know a good tracking tool for you to use to make your aim better. So first, grab out the energy pistol. Try to get up here, and then start. You can either not ADS. In order to tell that you're ADSing and using a pistol, energy pistol, is that if you see the black things around it. Those are the things that tell you that you are aiming in. Although you really don't need it, or you can just right click to aim in. I do have my settings video in my channel. I do have a settings video which you guys can like. Yeah, there's number one priority for a good aim tool. So you can do this. An old tool I've been using to get my aim. This tremendous aim. Now basically I hit most headshots. I don't know, maybe, I don't know. But legitimately, this is how I train my aim. Basically tracking. And if you're on to flicking, which you guys probably wouldn't use, just grab out the revolver and just my sensitivity. Oh yeah, I did mess around with my sensitivity a bit. So now my setting over here is 0.041. Before it was 0.05. And now this thing is on 60%, 90%, and 80%. This one is still at 108, and this one at 40. Or 106. I think 106 is pretty good. It won't really make a difference though. It will still make it like I'm pretty good at flicking. And I'm pretty good at tracking. Like that's just me. I have too much aura. JK. But yeah, that's legitimately how I train my tracking and my flicking. You guys might be like, why would you use flicking? We're literally on assault rifle. Buddy, guess what? If someone's right here and you don't know where to look at, and you just like want to aim at them, but they're like behind the wall, flick. Or like this thingy. Like you're like right here looking over there, they both over here, then you just like flick. That's why I'm teaching about flicking. and stuff. Oh yeah, and also you need to get some fast flags. I'll put a link down in my description for like the video that I chose to get fast flags and stuff. Which sub to the guy that I'm about to like show you in my description, the description down below. You actually may be able to get this. But some of my weapons really can't make it out of the glitching zone, so it might look like this. Or you guys' computer are just too tough and you have like having too much aura and you still can see your war. Now you are absolutely gonna hook your enemies using fast flags. So yeah, and also it reduces lag, and yeah. Also for good aiming, you need stretch resolution. Stretch resolution makes your enemies so tiny, like short, super short. Look at how short these guys are. Look at how short and fat they are. See? That's the advantage stretch resolution gives you. It makes them shorter and fatter, which gives you an advantage. Because with normal mode, they are skinny and tall. And your accuracy is somewhere like 0. Well, I don't know, but they're like hard to see in my perspective, to be honest. So yeah, mine now is 1280 by 1040. I don't really have NVIDIA graphics card to change my thingy to 1440 by 1080 and 300 and something 360 HZ. So yeah, stretch resolution really helps you. And I'll drop a movement tip. I'll drop a movement video after. This time it's gonna be better, and it's not just gonna show my YouTube the thingy. I don't know, but yeah. Also, you can do this. This is one. Okay, so this is one, and this is two. We should just aim in. Here's three. So you just. Pretty hard to do. Oh, I did it, yeah. Or just practice your flick by doing this. Yeah, and please, as I said in my first ever video, like how to do the default loadout and stuff, please don't use Piglet. If I catch you doing that, I will absolutely, I don't know, I will do nothing to you, definitely. I'll just make a comeback anyway. So yeah, those are really good tips. I don't know if I can drop links like copy pasting. I don't know, but yeah, just for the sake of you guys, if you guys wanna be good, real good with the assault rifle, then just like follow along with me. You know, just chilling out. And I dropped my settings, and I think this one would be the best. Alright, that's it for video. This one. Alright, this one. Alright, that's it for games by Crosshair. My hotkeys. And yeah,